Hi, Mike Kennedy. So here's a light meal kind of put in a quart-sized bag. So we've got approximately here, I'm going to have the exact totals down below, but we've got 270 calories. We've got 70 calories, 340. We have the cookies are, we're breaking up some multi-packs now, but again, they're sealed. They have to be sealed inside for this purpose. 150 calories. So, and again, with this one, we're getting our protein from tuna, ranch style. We're adding to that some a package of, this has us 15 grams of protein. This little package of salted nuts has 207 calories, 12 grams of protein, so it's quite a bit of protein there. And then we're just having a treat here with a couple cookies, and that is going to bring, that's 150 more calories. I don't know if there's any protein in this, there might be. Yeah, a gram of protein. And in this, we need something, we got a spoon here. This is a real MRE spoon. And we're including this too. Some flavor for water. Now, I couldn't find any non-artificially sweetened, but this is the lemonade. This comes in a multi-pack. Weiler's Light. There's a number of brands of this, but you get anywhere from you get a number of them, 6, 8, or 10 in a carton, and they're single servings. So the idea is, you drink a little out of your water bottle, pour this in, shake it up. Drink a little out of your water bottle. Pour this just so there'll be a little bit of space. Pour this in and shake it up, and you're ready to go. Now, be interesting. I'll have to do this experiment at home. This is a quart-size, hefty, stronger seal storage bag, okay? And so I would assume that if I was to fill this with water, it would be slightly less than a quart, just because of the constraints of filling it and things like that. I could be wrong, but we'll try it. Why is it interesting to have something that's just a quart? Well, then you can use water purification tablets. In other words, if you've got a container known to hold a quart, you take the food out, put the water in here, drop the water purification tablet in, wait from anywhere from 30 minutes to, some of them are 3 hours. It's depending on what they are. And then you would have the fresh water to drink, and then you could put something like this in to flavor it. Because purifying water is just really killing the bacteria, so it's not going to change the taste of the water. And sometimes when you're drinking water from different sources, it's just not going to taste that good. So let's try our tuna creation here. Ranch. Of course, too, if we wanted to have beefed this meal up, we could have substituted an entire can of tuna, or entire can of tuna salad or whatever. I was interested in things that we could fit in this little bag, but these are all items, from Family Dollar. I should have mentioned that. This was $1. We've got 2 crusts in here. They're supposedly pizza crusts, but we could use these like a tortilla or something like that, and put the tuna in it, spread the tuna on it, whatever. Or we could use some crackers. We could have thrown in the saltine crackers or some similar thing again. So anyway, let's take a look at this. It basically just looks like tuna. It's got kind of a nondescript coloring to it. And tuna with ranch. Not bad at all. These are the little multi-packs of crackers. I believe it's the Lance brand. Yeah. Vanna Lunch sandwich cookies from Lance. But I think these are very good. We could put more of these in, but actually I'm trying, rather than eating 1,000 calories at a meal, I'm trying to do less than that. Tastes like vanilla cookies. What can be wrong with that? And here's our peanuts. Well, these are actually Frito-Lay. 2 for $1.09. And in this you're getting a little hit of sodium, which is 10% or only 220. That's not too bad. Calories 270. Protein though 12 grams. Some of these I've noticed they're well in date, but they're not well in date if you're looking for long-term survival. In other words, a lot of components like that right off the shelf. This technically the sell-by date is in June of this year. So we're almost to the second month, so this is just this is only 4 months left in its date. The cookies are May 2020. I mean, obviously those are best used by dates. The food could still be consumed later than that. These tunas tend to have quite a good date on them. Yeah, July 2020. So we've got over 2 years that this is going to be good. The tuna. These tend to be tuna. It says on the back here they have both salmon and chicken. So, are these peanuts going to taste like salted peanuts? And I've had these quite a bit. Sometimes different brands. This is a brand name, but sometimes there'll be no brand. A brand you've never heard of. And they're good. Add a little flavoring to your water. So there we go. Another little meal for on the go that you could have made in advance. I've got a panel on here. I would suggest on this panel you would write the expiration date of the shortest lived item or the best used by date. And that way, say we put together 20 of these, you could sort them according to the date with the date on the front, and go by it like that. Another option, I got this at a sale table, so it isn't necessarily going to be able to be duplicated very well, but these are really kind of expensive chocolates. They were in a pack for marked down to 74 cents at my grocery store. They're 72% dark chocolate. Dark chocolate, they claim, is better for you. It has more of the chemicals in it that benefit health. These are only 60 calories a piece, so a couple of those could have gone in this pack as well. But there we go. There's a little meal that fits in a pouch, and would certainly have the requirements of meeting for a meal. We could too, I guess, if we are going kind of off the reservation here as far as the size of the container that I did. Well, we could have added the raisins too. Let's say we add that 100 more calories, but another gram of protein. This might not have fit in the container, but you could have these setting aside unrefrigerated. The shelf-stable milk, 110 calories, 8 grams of protein. Plus, of course, you're getting calcium here. 25% of your calcium. You're getting some vitamin A, potassium as well. So there you go. Try it. Tell me if you like it.